I heard that when my child turns 16, he can decide what parent he wants to live with. Is that true?
So here's the reality. Number one, it's going to depend on your jurisdiction. Every jurisdiction, has their own rules. But in our particular jurisdiction, for the most part, here's how it works. There are different factors that courts take into consideration when they're looking at this concept of best interest of the child. Because, right, what does that mean? Now, one of the major factors that courts are going to think about is how old the child is. If a 3-year-old says mama or papa, the court's probably not going to take as much deference to that particular statement that a 17-year-old saying, I want to live with mom or I want to live with dad. So the reality and the practical application to that question is, and again, there are plenty of exceptions, but the older a child is, the more likely the child's going to be allowed to live with whichever parent they want. Now, I say that with a caveat that not only are there a ton of exceptions, but it's very fact specific. It's still going to count in the court and who the judge or referee is. It's going to count on what the circumstances are, etc. So these are not black and white rules by any means. In my experiences, 9 times out of 10, the older the child is, the more the court's going to usually grant them wherever they want to live. Now, if you have any more questions, please give us a call or click on the link below. Thank you.